In today's short and simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your Snapchat account permanently, you need to open the Snapchat application. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it and then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and below the support tab, click on I need help. Again scroll down and click on this managing my account option. Now tap on the second option that says delete or reactivate my account. Select how do I delete my Snapchat account. Scroll down and here you will see this option accounts portal. So click on it. Enter your Snapchat account password. Once you have entered the password, click on continue. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.